Hi everyone. So guys, we know that React Native is a fantastic framework for mobile application development. With React Native, we can create iOS, Android and other mobile platform applications also. Even demand of React Native is also getting high. There are lots of job opportunities. Salary is also good in React Native. So if you are planning to learn something new, you can start with React Native. This is really a good choice. And with this video, we are launching a fresh and brand new series of React Native. One question you can ask me there, why we should learn React Native from this series. There are lots of other courses also available on the React Native. Some are paid, some are free. Documentation is also available. So what's so special about this course? See, here we will learn each and every topic of React Native. Second thing, if you are not aware about React.js, then you don't need to worry about. Here we will cover all the required topic of React.js also, right? Next thing is all topic will be covered with the interview question. So you can say that this is a React Native job oriented series because we will getting prepared for interviews also as well as learning, right? And there we will learn React Native with the Android and iOS both platforms. We will learn that how we can set up and how we can create build for Android as well as iOS. Lots of things that are different behavior in Android and iOS. We will cover all of these things. Code is available on the GitHub, and there are some small exercises for you so that you can feel confident and you can just try to develop something in React Native by yourself. And if you still have any question, any query, you can ask me in the comment box or you can ask me in the Instagram also, right? So the next thing is, what is React Native? React Native is a framework for develop Android and iOS application. Second thing, this is written in JavaScript with React.js. So how could we return a framework in a two thing? See, the programming language which is used in React Native and React.js, which is JavaScript, that's why I mentioned there JavaScript, and the library which used with the React Native is React.js. That's why I mentioned React Native is written in JavaScript with React.js. Cool. And one thing you can ask, like React Native will create or React Native will develop a hybrid application or native application. This will basically develop native application first. It will convert JavaScript code to the native platform, then it will generate the build. So you can say that the apps which are generated by the React Native are the native applications. Current stable version of React Native is 0.7. So maybe you are watching this video after 1 year or after some time after creating this video, then you can check the current version of React Native. Sometime it could be asked in the interviews, and you can mention what is the current version while you are watching this video, right, in comment section. And the initial release was done in 26 March 2015. So you can say that this is pretty stable release, which is 0.71, because this is React Native is released around 8 years back, right? So the next thing is, why should we learn React Native? There is lots of other libraries, lots of other framework also. So what's so special about this? See, with React Native you can create Android, iOS and other platform applications also, but the main thing, it will create native application, not hybrid application. Second thing, this is really in high demand. Even most used application like Instagram, Facebook are developed with the React Native, right? And this is really easy to learn. And if you are already know about React.js, you can learn React Native within 15 days, right? This is so much easy. And this is maintained by Facebook, so this is a long-term player. We know that Facebook has lots of product and this is a big brand. So you can say that it will stable in the market for upcoming maybe 10 and more than 10 years, right? So you don't need to worry about its competition, its demand and all. So everything will be fine. The next thing is what we are going to learn in this video. Even I told you like we will learn each and every topic, but still I can just tell you the flow, like how we will start and how we will end this series. So firstly, we will learn that how we can set up and install React Native in Windows and in iOS, both applications, right? After that, we learn basic things, props, states, how components we can create and all. After that, we learn components like functional component, class-based component, nested as well as high ordered component. We will learn all of these things. After that, we will jump on the hooks and lifecycle methods, navigation, how we can render data from API, and how we can handle the form validation and all. REST APIs, we will learn how we can get data from get APIs, how we can save data with the post, put, delete. We will learn all kind of these APIs. Then we will go for the Redux and projects, and with every topic we will learn interview questions also, right? So guys, please support me by like this video. You can subscribe my channel, you can comment in the comment section, so that I will just get to know your feedback, and this is my Paytm number for donation. So thank you guys, thank you so much for watching this video.